All right, let's try this one. Again, it's done just like the previous problem. Wherever, here they want you to find f of 8. So wherever you see the x, we're going to substitute in an 8. This one I want you to be a little careful because some interesting things might happen here in a little bit. But if I plug in an 8 right here, you're going to get the square root of 4, which is 2. Let's try f of 4. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to plug in 4. You're going to get the square root of 0. Can you take the square root of 0? Yes, you can, because 0 times 0 is 0. So that one's fine. But try this one. I'm going to get 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. We are dealing with only real numbers here. This would be what's in an imaginary number. You can't take the square root of a negative and have a real number. So this one is what we call undefined. So be really careful that when you plug in a value, you can't have a negative under a square root sign. Okay, another one you're going to be careful with when you have a function is, I'm going to do another function right here. What if I had this function right here? Remember, you can never have a 0 on the denominator. So if I would have asked for this, let's say I asked g of 4, and by the way, notice instead of an f, I used the letter g. It's no big deal. I'm just distinguishing between these two different functions. So you're still doing it exactly the same way. But right here, instead of an x, I'm going to plug in a 4. So notice what I have here. I have 1 over 0. You cannot have 0 in the denominator of a fraction. Okay, illegal. So again, your answer here would be undefined. So you will have a few of those pop up on your homework. Just be careful.